Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing a brief tutorial of how you can remove a person from any image in Canva. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and sign into your Canva account, and then once you're on the home screen, go ahead and select your canvas size. For this demonstration I'm going to use the YouTube thumbnail, but any of those will work just fine. Then once we are loaded into our editor, we will go to the Elements tab right here if you already have your photo uploaded to Canva. If you don't though, just come right here to Uploads, and then you can of course upload your photo, and then you'll be able to use it from there. So I'm going to use this photo right here, and what we are doing is taking this woman out of the photo, and then we'll just have a background of the beach. So what I'm going to do is set this image as the background so we have it at full size. Then we'll want to click on it and then go to edit image, and then once you are there you'll want to be under effects, and we're looking for the magic eraser tool, which is located right here. And then that's going to give us two options. We can either use the brush or click. So with the brush, what you do is you'll just come in and you will erase over the person in the photo, and then you'll be able to remove them. You can also adjust the brush size if you need to, if you have a larger person or item in the photo that you're trying to take out. But for this video I'm going to use the click because this is actually much easier. So all you have to do is just take the person in the photo, we'll click, and they're highlighted in purple, and then all you have to do from there is click on erase, and then just let Canva do the work. This should only take just a moment, and then once this is completed you will have the photo with just the beach. And there we go. Alright, so now the next thing we will have to do is just back out of this magic eraser, and there is our photo of the beach.